So my name is Lotta Lagnander. I'm a lawyer from Sweden engaged in the Kurdish issue. I have been in two international delegations going to Diyarbakir and Istanbul investigating the situation, most regarding isolation method, but also the situation for women and lawyers. I got the opportunity to come to the tribunal regarding Rojava and Turkey, and it has been two very, very important days with witnesses about what's going on. There has been prosecutors and the judges came to a conclusion today. And I think it's very important because this is a way to show the world what's happening in Rojava and also in Turkey. I just would like to say that two important focus has been on women and children's situation in Rojava. And it has been very interesting is not a good word, but I think it's very, very important to hear the witnesses, and also an obligation to us who has been to the tribunal to tell the world what's going on, and also to make the international community to start pressure Turkey to stop what they are doing. It's most of all it's war crimes, forced displacement, forced migration. That is a very big issue.
Thank you so much.